Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful sunburst garland square. For this project, you can use any colors of yarn and suitable hook size. Today, I'm using 2.6mm crochet hook. First, we're going to work the middle part. For that, I'm taking the yellow color yarn and make a slip knot. Now, from your work, chain 5. Now make a slip stitch into the very first chain and make a circle. Now from your work chain 3 and this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now work 15 double crochets into the same space. With that chain 3 you have total 16 double crochets. So here we made 15 double crochets. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch into the third chain from that first chain 3 and here we done our first row. Now chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Now let's start the second row. For that I'm taking my purple color yarn. You can use any color you want. First make a slip knot and grab the project. Insert the hook from a space, chain space here and make a slip stitch. Now we're going to work puff stitch. For that you have to do is stretch the yarn a little bit high and now yarn over and insert the hook from the same space and pull through that loop and again yarn over and insert the hook from the same space and pull through. Now yarn over, pull through all. So here is a puff stitch. Now chain 3 and I'm going to work into the next chain space here. So insert the hook from that chain space and pull the yarn. Again yarn over, pull through that loop and again third time yarn over, pull through that loop. So we did 3 times. Now yarn over, pull through all. So here is a puff stitch. From your work chain 3 and go ahead making puff stitches in each chain spaces. So here we reach the end of this row. Now chain 3 and make a slip stitch top of that puff stitch, first puff stitch. Now I'm going to switch to the next color. For that I'm going to chain 1 and cut off the yarn. At the end you should have 16 puff stitches and this is how it looks like. To work next row you have to take white color yarn and make a slip knot. Now grab the project and insert the hook from a chain 3 space like this and make a slip stitch. Now from here work chain 3. In this row we're going to work 5 double crochet cluster. So here we made 1 double crochet, so you have to work 4 double crochets together. For that yarn over, pull through 2 but don't finish it. Again yarn over, pull through 2 and again don't finish it. You have to do just 4 times like that. And now last we have total 5 loops on our hook. Now yarn over, pull through all. From here work chain 3. Here we made our first double crochet cluster. Now I'm going to work into the next chain 3 space here. Into this place we're going to work 5 double crochet cluster. So yarn over, pull through 2, don't finish it. Again yarn over, pull through 2, don't finish it. Again yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2 and again one more time yarn over, pull through all. So here we made 5 times. Now we have total 6 loops on our hook. Now yarn over, pull through all. So here we made our second cluster. Now from here work chain 3 and work 5 double crochet cluster into next chain space here. And go ahead and work 5 double crochet clusters in each chain 3 space. And let's meet at the end of this row. So here we reached to the end of this row. Now chain 3 and I'm going to make a slip stitch top of that 5 double crochet cluster over here. Insert the hook from that chain space and make a slip stitch. Now work chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So this is how it looks like our third row. Now here you should have 16 5 double crochet clusters. Now let's move to the next row. For that I'm taking my blue color yarn and make a slip knot and grab the project. Insert the hook from a chain 3 space here and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now from your work chain 3 and this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now I'm going to work 2 double crochets into the same space. Now from here work chain 1 and now I'm going to work 3 half double crochets into next chain 3 space here. And again work chain 1 and make 3 single crochets into next chain 3 space. Now again work chain 1 and work 3 half double crochets into next chain 3 space. And now work chain 1 and into the next chain 3 space work 3 double crochets. And now from here work chain 2 and again work 3 double crochets into the same space. Now here again work chain 1 and into the next chain space work 3 half double crochets and again chain 1 and work 3 single crochets into the next chain space. Now into the next one you have to work 3 half double crochets and into next chain space you have to work chain 1 and 3 double crochets, chain 2 and work 3 double crochets into the same space. So you have to just continue like this till the end of this row. So here we reach to the end of this row. Now chain 1 and I'm going to work 3 more double crochets into that first chain 3 space here and last work chain 2 and make a slip stitch into that third chain from that first chain 3. Okay, here we done our fourth row. Now chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Okay, now let's move to the next row. For that I'm taking my white color yarn and make a slip knot. Now grab the project and insert the hook from a corner like this and make a slip stitch. Now from your work chain 2, this chain 2 counting as our first double crochet, and now work 2 more half double crochets into the same space. Now from here we're going to work only into the back loops. So first you have to work a half double crochet into that chain space, that is our first chain 3. So you have to work a normal half double crochet. Now into the next chain space you have to work a half double crochet into the back loop, and also next space you have to work a half double crochet into the back loops. So you have to continue like this till the end of this row. Like you have to work only into the back loops. Okay, here we reach to the corner. Now I'm going to work the last half double crochet into that back loop. Now I'm going to work into that chain 2 space. Here work 3 half double crochets and now work chain 2 and work 3 more half double crochets into the same space. Now from here continue work into the back loops only. Work 1 half double crochet in each back loops. So you have to do is just continue like this till the end of this row, and last join the row with a slip stitch. Okay, now we're gonna work the last row. For that I'm taking my purple color yarn and make a slip knot. Now grab the project and insert the hook from a corner and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now from here work chain 3, this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now work 1 double crochet into the same space. And now from here you have to work chain 1 and now skip 1 chain space, and into the next one you have to work a double crochet. Now again chain 1 and skip 1 chain space, and into the next one work a double crochet. And again work chain 1 and skip 1 chain space, into the next one work a double crochet. Continue like this till the end of this row. So here we reach to the corner. Now chain 1 and skip this last double crochet, and into the corner I'm going to work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets into the same space. Now again from here work chain 1 and skip 1 chain space, and into the next one work a double crochet. Like so, you have to work like this till the end, and let's meet at there. So here I reached to the end of this row. Now last chain 1 and I'm going to work 2 more double crochets into that first corner. Last work 3 chains and make a slip stitch into that third chain from that first chain 3. Now chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So this is how it looks like, our sunburst granny square. It's super easy to make. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another beautiful tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.